Yes, updates, guys. This one is day two of still working in the house. All right. So I just want to take everybody along. So that's why I've not been able to make video today to submit. But I feel like whatever I do, my life is a totally peace one live. Okay, totally peace one. So whatever I do, I make sure I carry everybody along. So this what I've been doing in the house today is repairing the bathroom that was leaking for ages, but they've been doing it it's all the time same result. But today they've taken the time to just make sure they do it properly and perfectly, and finger crossed it's not going to be leaking again. So downstairs was already getting done. Okay, so now let me take you guys to the bathroom where the shower is. I've not been able to have a shower yesterday, and today seems like it's going to be the same thing. Man, the power of water is life. All right, I've to for me to be it, I don't even, I praise myself, like every members of the house, like we've not had a shower to yesterday, and today nothing. Imagine me. I have not tried this before since I left Nigeria, since I left Africa. It's the first time ever me not doing that. Say I not bath before I sleep. Voila, boku, eh? So anyway, but hopefully it's gonna be uh done. Let's be patient, finger crossed. So I thought I should just carry everybody along and see the job that is going on in the house. It's not easy for you to sit down and there are people in the house repairing the house, and then you're just waiting for it to finish. It's not like we're not used to it, going to people's houses and then getting showers there. But I asked the children, oh, can we just go Airbnb and rest and then get a shower, do everything there? They said, no, mom, it's a waste of money. But for me, it's not. Actually, I was just going to make it like, oh, let's use this opportunity like 2 or 3 days, get out of the house and then go and lodge. They said no, because they just know the value of money. They want to save like mother, like children. So that's what they are doing. So this is the way to the bathroom. You see, everywhere is just like that, not arranged. But at the end of the day, I'll show you guys the outcome, the result. So be patient in everything. You see the result. When you're very, very patient, the result is going to be clear, very lovely. See, that's it there. By the time it's fully done now, I'll show you guys. You'll not believe that was the bathroom before. Okay, so fingers crossed it's gonna be maybe almost done today. Me, I will baffle. You see, that one totally came off, but today they placed it on the floor. Yesterday it wasn't like that. So this is day two. So now let's hope that one is gonna stay, no leakage as it used to be. But it's been placed, it's been put down. That's good news, right? The taps have been fixed. Those two ones were not there yesterday, so it's going to be fixed now. It has been fixed now. So the bottom been placed. Okay, the cardboard is there. I think it's just the connection that is left The electric shower is going to be put back on nicely and then running. Hot water is gonna come out, cold water is gonna come out. In fact, by the time it's done, no, we are gonna be queuing up or lining up for who is gonna go first, who is gonna go last. Trust them. So they are all big now, they are all adults. So we're gonna sit down. Who's gonna go first? Who is gonna go last? In fact, it's gonna be mom. Mom is gonna go first. Trust me, I can't. Like me here now, hey, it's just manage. Me sitting down here, no shower yesterday, and I'm still here for a woman. I don't know how some people they do it too. There are people who don't even bother. I've know somebody who just do it once in a week. Hey, once in a week will say, oh, it's not like that too. I just like to have it once in a week or twice in a week, 3 times in a month. Really? I can't. Not for me. Not for me. I can't even think about it or to practice it. That's just me. I prefer to pay, even if the water is very, very high, they increase it. I am ready to just go along with it. In fact, last month I saw my water bill is gone up like double. I say, what? I am not doing I don't have a factory, I don't have industry that will make oil, because those are the things that will take you that takes a lot of your water. But it's not like that. But for me, how come it's double? I say, anyway, it is okay. So that one day, that's a place the electric shower used to be, but they took it off, but it's going to be put back. That one was there, it's not going to be taken off. So finger crossed, we're nearly there now. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to take everybody along. That one can be used now. You can't brush there because it's been taken off. If you try to do it, there's going to be a lot of water down there, and I'm not ready to be cleaning, guys. Not just cleaning. It's not a ordinary wooden carpet, is just rug there. I don't want it soaked. That bag there is a shower, electric shower, that is there. So my people, you're gonna have to stay tuned. Like this video, share, make sure you watch my video. Thank